In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to hide an app on your iPhone, it's really easy to do. What you need to do is press and long hold onto the app that you want to hide. So for this example, I'm going to select Discord. So I'm just going to press and long hold onto the Discord app. What it's going to do is bring up this menu. And what you want to do is press onto require Face ID. Now, at this point, you're going to get a pop-up like this. And what you want to do is press the option which says hide and require Face ID. After doing this, it's going to quickly scan your face and come up with a confirmation message like this, which says this app will no longer be visible on your iPhone except in a few places. So all you need to do is come down and press the blue hide app button at the bottom. As you can see, that's going to go ahead and hide the app. And to find your hidden apps on your iPhone, all you need to do is scroll all the way to the right to your app library. And from here, you want to scroll all the way down towards the bottom and you're going to see a folder called Hidden. So if you press onto this, you're going to find all your hidden apps. So that is how to hide apps on iPhone. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.